Unhide. That mode. Man. Okay. Process on doors. Yeah, that's not nice. Ah! This is a simple idea, but it's working really well. Ow! Whoa! Whoa! Hard game. Works. This guy with the... It's not the hard areas, okay. The light codes are a really great idea. Yeah. Okay. Oh! Oh! How far do I need to get? No. No. Oh, I'm running out of time. I'm running out of... Ah! Hypnotize. Wait, I can't turn into a bat yet. Wait for the... You can't see me. Wait. Whoa, Jesus Christ, I thought the last part was bad. No. Oh, perfect timing. Turn. Almost. We're going there. Perfect timing again. What? You saw me? Just want to sleep. Yeah, I got it. Whoa. Okay.